So we tried this, and we didn't put enough pie filling, so it didn't make a hump. And these did not turn out. So we're going to try it again, but a different way, because I didn't read the instructions right. So, I got my dough rolled out, and here's the plates. It doesn't look right, because we didn't do it right. So we're going to try it again this time. And hopefully it will work out.
Okay.
So
go ahead.
It said we needed vegetable oil before we did that, but it kind of worked out. Yeah, it came out good. Ow! She told me to get a floor. Sorry. Okay, my sister's there? No. I already got some, Grandma. Do you want me to reuse this dough I just used?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
If you can get one out of it and then open the other one.
So, I'm gonna roll out your dough you did use, and you're gonna cut some more circles. So here's one. Gonna do it again, but on the bigger side. Let me roll it out.
Yeah, don't play with all of them.
A little bit bigger. Good. Cut again.
Yeah.
La la la.
All right.
Now take the pie out. So there we go. Now I'm just gonna wad this up, get it off the counter. And this is not enough to make another pie, so I'm gonna open this one. Now, might have to remove these because this thing's big. And now we got to do the same thing we did at the beginning. Sprinkle out some flour and voila. Then we can open it. Little peach. Don't get it a lot. Okay. So I got scissors already out. So we're hoping this will hopefully work out this time. Instead, same way. But we're not gonna do it the same way we did. So open up, Buttercup. Pour the thing out. So I got the dough out. Now I'm just gonna unroll that. Na 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 na. So I haven't got my pie maker plugged up yet, but we're gonna make another big circle, and then another big circle. So we got some things, and then just pull this up and go. We got some pizza. This is like almost like making pizza, but it's pie. So the little part goes in the bottom. Doesn't the little part go in the bottom? Okay. So we're going to lay it in there and like gently put it in there. Make it look like it. Yep. Now, we didn't add enough pie filling the last time. So we're gonna add a lot more than we did. So I'm gonna chop these things up. Ew. Oh, peaches with no crust. Put it in there, put it in there. Put it all the way where it will, like, get the top. A little bit more.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
There we go. Yeah, it's a little bit more filled than it was. So this is, I'm going to let an adult help me with this.
Lay it there real easy, and you're going to keep the dough right inside this little circle. Just put it on top and mash it inward. Like this. Like here. Mash it in. There we go. Just like that.
Okay, just like that. Now we're gonna do the other one the same. Do, 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 do. I'm getting this on my fingers. What?
That's good.
Same thing. Lay it on top and push it.
And here.
So my grandmother's gonna plug it back up for us. Okay. Now it's time to shut it. We'll see. We'll be back when they're ready. Ready. I won't touch it. We're going to show you how the machine's cooking. So it's cooking well. Let's open it. Grandma's helping. I think this one's going to turn out better than this one. Now we're going to let them cook for a while. And be sure to check out my other video. I'm making another one today, maybe, if we can get this all cleaned up. And it's gonna be awesome. And my sister's gonna be in there with me. She's gonna do mixing. Yeah, I'm gonna show you my sister. Come in. No, coming out the other way. She's littler than me. She's not bigger. This is my little sister. She is going to be in my next video. Yeah. Can I help you, right? Can I help you a little bit? Well, this is probably the only time.
Awesome.
So I'm back, and here's the box. This one's about done. This one's not working. We'll let them sit for a little while longer. I'll see you when they're done. We're back. Ow. These are hot. Try to get them out. Ah!
Get you a fork. Also. Stick in the center. Ooh. Okay, there you go. Oh.
I got the top.
No, put it back on there.
So this is the finished pie that we got. And I'm not going to eat it because I don't really like pies. Not really. Cut it open and show you. I guess I'll just like pinch it over.
That's good.
So what it looks like in the inside. Sure, my sister would eat this. But bye. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye. Bye, people.